In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp on any device. If you're getting organized, collaborating with a team, or just trying to keep your tasks in one place, having ClickUp installed where you work makes a big difference. Let's get straight into it and make this quick and clear. First, open your web browser and search for something like ClickUp Free Download. This is the fastest way to land on the official page that lists all the available apps. When the results appear, look for the official ClickUp website or the trusted app stores. Avoid random third-party download sites. Sticking to official sources helps you get the latest version and keeps your device secure. On the official page, you'll see multiple ways to download ClickUp. There are mobile apps for Android and iPhone, desktop apps for Windows and Linux, and more options depending on what you use. The nice thing is, you're not locked into one device. Install it wherever you work best. Pick the method that fits your setup and comfort level. For this walkthrough, I'm going to choose the Chrome extension. On the Downloads page, select the Chrome extension option, and your browser will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome, then Confirm when prompted. Your browser will handle the rest automatically. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. Downloads and installations can take some time depending on your connection and device. Patience here pays off. Once the extension is installed, you'll have direct access to ClickUp from your browser toolbar. If the icon doesn't appear, open your browser's extensions menu and pin it so it's always just one click away. If you chose a different method, like the mobile app or a desktop app, you'll find it on your home screen, in your Start menu, or in your Applications list, ready to open and use. And remember, if you prefer not to install anything, you can still access ClickUp right from your browser. Just head to the ClickUp website and sign in when you're ready to work. That flexibility means you can switch between devices without missing a beat. That's it. Search for the official download. Choose the option that suits your device. Be patient during the install, and you're ready to go. Enjoy having ClickUp exactly where you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up smoothly.